Hey, where did that box come from?
I've never seen it before.
Wow, look at all this stuff.
Is it supposed to glow like that? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Wait, the fridge?
What's happening?
Whoa, that was a bumpy ride.
You're so easily impressed. You need to throw a dart at the spinning wheel.
I like a challenge. Look at it go.
What does that mean?
My hand is tiny. Both my hands are tiny.
You look ridiculous. I mean, meh, it's not that big a deal.
It's okay to be jealous. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Quit it! You're so immature.
Guess who?
Get your freakishly small hands away from me.
Fine. You're no fun. Maybe I can… Ow! So it's like that, huh?
You don't want to mess with me. You're making a huge mistake.
What? What's going on? Stop, please!
You need to chill out.
I'm sorry.
Fine, but no more. You hear me?
You're mean.
And I'm proud of it.
Okay, I better make the pancake. Wow, this bottle is huge. I'll start with black pancake mix. This will be perfect for the outline. Now I can begin to color it. I just need to stay inside the lines. Let's use pink mix next. It smells good. Uh-oh, this is getting difficult. My hands are starting to shake. I'll fill in any gaps. This is going to be the cutest Jigglypuff ever. I'm almost done, and then I can flip it. Look at that! I'm a true artist!
That's it?
Nah.
Come on, it looks great. Give me some credit. It would be a shame to eat it.
Whatever, it's not that special. It's my turn. Watch this. What am I supposed to do with that?
I'm going to enjoy this. My hands are back to their regular size. What a relief! Wait, this is excellent.
Please don't do egg jokes. This is bad enough without your awful puns. So, what am I supposed to do? Okay, here goes. I can totally do this. I just need to trace around it. I'll make a large circle for the body, but I'm going to need a lot more. That should do it. I need to join them together. That was a lot simpler than I thought. I'll run the 3D pen over it. I want to cover it completely. Once that's done, I'll start to add the details. This is going to be an eye. I'll need to use blue plastic for this part. Then I'll build up the layers to make the arms. I'll do the same for the legs. What's next? Oh, yeah, the hair. Wow, it's looking great. Next up, I'll draw the ears. I'll form them into a point. Oh, I almost forgot about your microphone. I think I'm finished. Wait!
I've got it. No need to thank me.
I wasn't going to. You covered Jigglypuff in egg. It's all slimy. That's more like it. It's cute, huh?
I love it. Great.
Oh, you need to see this! Ooh, a mystery box! No way! You got new shoes! They're so stylish! What is wrong with your hair? It keeps going in my eyes. I can fix this. Leave it to me. I've sketched out a hair clip. Now I'll fill it in with a 3D pen. This will solve all your problems. Trust me. Time to fill it in. Purple is the perfect color. You're gonna love this. This won't take long. But I'm not done. I'll add pink lines to it. It's a great contrast. That's it. Now I need to press it together. Then I'll stick it in place. I think it's ready. I better give it to Claire. What do you think? They're so colorful! Wait! I'll make something for you. I'll grab my 3D pen. I'll draw a love heart. I'll fill it in with pink plastic. They're so cute. I'll need to join them together. I'll line them up. I'm not gonna use glue. My 3D pen will take care of it. I'll keep a small gap between the hearts. This will give it a 3D effect. There's one more thing to do. I need something for the back of it. This is ideal. I'll stick it to the heart. And that's it. It looks fantastic. It'll make the perfect shoe accessory. I made lots more. Wow! Your shoes went to the next level. You did that for me? I can't believe it! Okay, my turn. Wow, this feels good. Take it easy. Hold still. That wasn't supposed to happen. Do you need this hair? Huh? What have you done? Thanks for the shoes. I better go to the salon. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'll put my phone here. And record. Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got something special planned. Wait a second. No, don't even think about it. Back off! Are you kidding me? Get out of here, kitty! Hang on. What's this? This might fix everything. I made a phone stand. Let's try this again. So, like I was saying, I just love this perfume. Look, my butler is hard at work.
Oh, I'm on camera. I'm not paid enough for this.
Ignore him.
It's glorious. May I?
Wow, my new necklace. It's beautiful. I feel like a princess. You're ruining the shot. Ooh, a mystery envelope. Let's open them. I'll go first. Aw, it's so cute. Okay, here goes. Wish me luck. Hold on. Huh, I'm all out of plastic. I don't have that problem. Oh, I'm so jealous. Wait, I got it. I don't need fancy plastic. I can use crayons. I'll start with the head. I'll make sure I stay in the lines. I'll switch crayons now. I need to use red for the nose. Then I can color the mouth. This is going well. I'm enjoying myself. It's gonna be perfect. I'll use yellow for the bell. And add some little details. What's next? Ah, I know. I need to draw whiskers. This is the easy part. Looking good. Next I'll color the eyes. And then I can do the rest of the white fur. I think that should do it. My work here is done. It's a masterpiece! Wait, you did that? Look, I got a butterfly. Let's do this. I'll start with the wing. I want to use bright colors. It needs to be the prettiest butterfly ever. Now I can start to fill it in. This section will be purple. What color should I use next? Oh, this pink will do. This can be the middle part of the wing. There's one last part to fill in. I'll use a bright pink for this. Then the wings will be done. I still need to color the body. And I know what color to use. A light blue. I'll work my way down. I don't want any gaps. Now for the finishing touches. I want this butterfly to sparkle. I'll add little gems to it. That should do. I'm not sure now. It needs more bling. I'll just use my diamonds. Daddy gave me them for pocket money. They'll do the job. I'll place them around the wing. This is more like it. It's just how I imagined it. Take a look at this. Wow, it's wonderful! I know, I'm so happy.
I'll take that.
What the? My butterfly is gone! It's a cruel world. I'm so bored. Tell me about it. I know what to do. This balloon will make everything better. Whoa, I want it. I better tie it. Then I'll rub it on my arm. I hope this works. Look at my hair. It looks ridiculous. It's so funny. Looking good, Hazel. Can I try? Hang on. I'll make the balloon even bigger. Wow, really? A little more. Here you go. Wow, it's huge! Let's rub our hair against it. How do I look? This might have been a mistake. We need to fix this. Aha! I've got an idea. We need a comb. I'll use the 3D pen to make one. I'll just draw over the sketch. Our hair will be looking great. We'll need teeth for the comb. I can start to add the details. I'll color it pink. I want it to look cute. I'll fill in the handle. Then, for the best part. This will be no ordinary comb. It's gonna be so stylish. It's gonna have a star in the middle. I'll use yellow for this. Then I can add small details to the handle. I've almost finished. I think that'll do. Check it out. It's just what I need. What do you think? It's It's amazing, isn't it? Let's try it out. Wow, it's doing the job. Who needs a salon? You're so lucky. It's my turn. I'll make my own comb. I'll make a magical comb. You're gonna love it. It'll look like a unicorn. It doesn't get better than this. This is fun. I'll fill it with white plastic. Next, I'll draw the horn. Every unicorn needs one, and it has to be gold. Now I can do the ears. I'll give it rosy cheeks. Now I'll add eyes. It needs long lashes. It's gonna be so cute. I'm almost finished. There, my very own unicorn comb. I love it! Time to fix my hair. Here goes. This isn't working. Come on! Oh no! It broke! That's not good. Why did this have to happen? Who cares?